Now in just a moment, I'm going to present a whole new way where you can earn huge money online just by using the Google Translator for 100% free, and you can make thousands of dollars to do that. You must follow my simple and easy instructions in this video. You do not need any skill or experience to do this. And the best part about this method is that you do not have to pay any money to do this, and it is available worldwide, from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, India, Philippines, Nigeria, or Pakistan. There are a lot of opportunities, so you utilizing today's technique. This is how much money you can make. If you translate to files using Google Translate, you can make between $100 to $150 if you translate 4 files. You can earn up to $450 if you translate 8 files. You can earn up to $700, and the earning potential is insane. Also, you can do this over and over again. Before we go further to this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video and be the first to learn and keep up with new ways to make money online. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. So in a minute, I'm going to teach you all the steps you need to take. You can do it on your computer or on your phone, and I'll show you how to utilize Google Translate to make a lot of money online, but you have to follow my instructions first. Go to this website, latium.org. I'm going to leave this website's link on the screen for now. Also, I'd want to teach you how to join up, and I'll explain how it works, as well as all the processes and training in this video, so you can do exactly what I did before you go ahead and try it yourself. So right now, I want to show you that there's a lot of earning potential on this website. As you can see from the reward, offer $1,500 up to $3,000, a lot of earning potential. So let me show you how it works quickly, and then I'll show you how to sign up, enter in a free sign-up bonus, or free money in a moment. So make sure you don't miss out, but first and foremost, when you sign up for this website, you'll be able to browse through different projects, similar to what I just showed you. There are different projects, different offers, and different jobs that you can do and earn us dollars, cryptocurrency, PayPal money, and a variety of other payment methods that you prefer in your accounts. So you can go to the Latium website and look for a new project, then submit it. And then you can start working right away. So step number 2 is to finish the project and then submit your work through the Latium contract management system. And step number 3, which is what we all love, is that once your work has been reviewed and approved, your payment will be released immediately to your Latium wallet with no delays. So when you go to the latium.org website, click on I want to work, then click on this button right here, and then you'll be sent to this page where you'll enter your first name, last name, email login, and password. Simply click the I'm not a robot button, and then the continue button. So after you do that and join up, you should be able to earn a free $1 sign-up bonus. But you must first verify your email address. So check your mailbox and click on the activation link so they can set up your Latium account. And you shouldn't be able to see your free $1 once you sign up. Once you log into your account and click on Browse Projects, you should be able to see all of the different projects that you can join and choose from, and you can do the jobs and get paid. The problem is that there are so many projects and so many things to do. And I know that many of you, including myself, have no experience. Like I don't know how to perform graphic design website or software development or usability testing. For example, the good thing about this is that you don't need any skill or experience to do it. All you have to do is go ahead and focus on the translation and language. When you get out here, you'll click on this translation and language on the top right corner over here, and you'll see that there are other translation and language projects that you can do. As you can see here, I'll show you some examples of jobs that you can receive and earn money online. For example, you might receive Hindi articles, as you can see here, and you want to translate your job from Hindi to English, and then you can earn $75. And there are some projects that they want you to translate from Japanese, and you have to translate from Japanese to English, and then you can earn $75. So once you've completed your tasks, They'll pay you in cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin or other currencies listed here. Or you may get paid in US dollars by bank transfer, PayPal Money, online money, or Payoneer. There are a variety of payment options available on this website. So as you can see this as one of the articles that you can receive. And this is a Hindi article. Now, if you know anything about Hindi, or if you are from India, leave a comment below and let me know, because you can basically translate these Hindi articles into English and make money online. I understand that many of you are coming from all over the world and may not be able to translate different languages. But the thing is, I'm only going to show you in this video how you can do power of Google Translate to do all the work for you and automate the process, so you can make money over and over again. But you're going to follow my steps. As you can see here, first, I want you to go to Google Translate. As you can see here, you may pick and copy and paste language right here on the left, and then the language will be instantly translated into English, but this is really small to make it bigger. All I have to do is go ahead and go here, translate.google.com, click on this link, and you'll be sent to this page, which is much simpler to work on because it's larger. So first off, over here on the left, you want to paste the articles, and when you get your job, you can see where you can copy everything for. And I'm going to copy this right here. So all I have to do is go on and right-click and copy this one. And then I'm going to come back here to Google Translate, and then I'm going to paste everything right here. So as you can see here, Hindi is recognized, which means that Google Translate will determine that this is a Hindi language and will perform the translation into English, as you can see here. So what I want to do is copy everything to accomplish that. So I'll click copy on this one, or simply click on this copy button right here, and I'll start a new document. Right-click on File and select New, then select Document. So I can put my English translation into this new document right now. I'm going to do it all over again. I'm going to come here and highlight the next part. Then I'm simply going to copy this one again, and then overturn here and copy this, and then remove everything, and simply put the new content right here. Then I'll wait for the translation to English. So you may continue the procedure again and again using this approach. Alternatively, you can simply submit the full document as shown below. You may translate the text, like how I demonstrated it now, and you can simply click on this page to browse your computer and upload the whole Google document right here to this Google Translator, which will instantly translate the entire content. After that, we may submit it to various jobs, and we will be paid. For example, they'll give you somewhat lesser amount for Hindi, but if you're lucky enough, you might get some Spanish or German language or even Japanese, and they'll pay you up to $100 each job. And then all you have to do is repeat the process. For instance, I will just highlight this Japanese language, and I'm just going to copy this one. And then I'll go back to Google Translate and then paste it right here. After that, we'll be translating your content into English. It's a fairly easy procedure that I feel anyone can repeat. You can do it on your phone or on your computer, so don't worry. Simply go to google.com and type in Google Translator to have this program or application performed all of the work for you. And that is all. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos before. Make sure you click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give us a big thumbs up.